Here's how to create a contact from an email in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account. Open the email from the person you want to save as a contact. Move your mouse over the sender's name at the top. When the contact card appears, click Add to Contacts. Gmail will instantly save this email address to your Google Contacts. To edit details, click Edit Contact. Here you can add a name, phone number, company, or notes. Then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact from an email in Gmail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Gmail tutorials.